I'm Marie from DocSense. Today we're going to explain how to configure Plug and Print to automatically deploy WES on several devices simultaneously. For this example, we'll be using Konica Minolta devices, but this tutorial also works for other makes of device. This video is valid from version V6 of Watchdoc. PnP, also known as Plug and Print, is a Watchdoc feature that simplifies the installation of your printers and the deployment of WES, so let's get started. To get started, go to the Print Files tab in the Watchdoc admin interface to create a location. Place your cursor over the plus button, then select Region if you want to categorize your locations in this way. To indicate where your site is located, click on Site and select your location. Enter the IP address range of the MFPs deployed at this location. To associate your network with your site, simply go to the Advanced Configuration tab, then System Configuration, and change the location category. Next, go to the Supervision console, the Plug and Print tab, and then Drivers to load your printer driver. This time, in the Plug and Print Operation tab, start discovering the devices on your network to make it easier to find devices that are not installed. Make sure you choose the right location to detect new multifunction devices. The names of your MFPs will then appear in yellow on the screen. Then select the devices you want to install, create the printer templates and choose the correct WES profile. Don't know how to create a WES profile? We invite you to watch our previous video on unit deployment. All you have to do now to restart the multifunction device discovery and install your printers. To launch the installation automatically by scheduling recurring discoveries, go to the Advanced Configuration tab, then PnP configuration, and tick the automation box. It's pretty straightforward, isn't it? You're not happy with the default templates? We'll show you how to create them in a future tutorial. To make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, don't hesitate to subscribe. For more information, visit our documentation website, doc.docsense.com.